Hi friends, here's this Hisense Mini refrigerator that we bought a month ago, which has just 39 liters of capacity. It has two shelves and there's a mini freezer hanging on the top, which has an auto defrost feature. You should place this tray exactly under the freezer. This is just to collect the melted ice in the defrost operation. There's a temperature control knob. Setting it to 3.5 is just fine for me when the outside temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. There are two keys. And the user manual. You may pause the video if you wish to read something. Here's the technical specifications. It comes with R600A refrigerant. Here's the compressor, which has a very low noise. I would have to find the dimensions of the refrigerator and inside of the shelves to determine whether it fits for my purpose, so I thought to share it with you. And it's worth to note that the two shelves are not equivalent in size. The bottom one is much shorter than the top. In the door there are two compartments. In the left side you can easily put a 2-liter Coke bottle. We usually store our food in these containers. This is how it packs in. I thought to measure the actual power consumption using my Wi-Fi energy monitor. After 12 hours, I measured the power consumption. Surprisingly, it has taken just 0.26 kilowatt hour, which is just 22 watts. All in all, I'm satisfied about this mini fridge. Bye bye.